What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bill. This is Matt. This is Jeremy. And this is Grab Guard by Targ Industries. Now, the Bronco has a serious problem. It's like any vehicle that's shaped like a brick. The front windshield is very flat and it catches rocks. And this here is Jeremy's new, what year is this? 23 or 22? 23 Big Ben, and he's already picked up his first rock chip. And so we are going to attempt to put on a window shield film, protection film, and see, first of all, if we can do it, and secondly, how well it works, and see how it holds up. Maybe Jeremy will let us know as time goes on how it holds up. But yeah, we'll go ahead and open this up and see what all is involved and try to get that installed on his windshield. All right, so we've got a window cleaner and squeegees, and then I imagine this is the film itself, and some Clear X Target, the stuff itself, clear window tint. So first things, we're going to make sure his window is super clean, and we'll probably look at the instructions of what they say to do just for poops and giggles, and then we'll go from there. And we're just doing a fit check to make sure it's going to line up. Well, the bottom like kind of sits perfectly on there. That you can just run a blade along the top of the glass. So since we did read the instructions do say that the sticker is on the adhesive or on the liner side. So we did lay this down the correct way. Make sure this stays wet the whole time as we're peeling this. Try not to see fingerprints or anything in it. If you want to lift your side, and I'll start spraying. So, how are you position wise on your side?
So I could come my way a bit on the side, and then it needs to go down a bit.
All right. And then yeah, we need to try to slide that, take that over from there. Sprayer, spray down pretty close. It could come this way, but I think if we go down the center, kind of tack that down. Actually much easier than tinting windows because you don't have to roll it up and move it to the inside. And it's very much like tinting windows, except for you're doing the outside of the... This is much softer than it looks like it's going to be. This rubber.
Oh yeah.
I thought it was going to be pretty stiff, but it's but I still didn't want to drag it straight across without some lubrication on there. I got a bit of an edge on this side. I mean, not horrible, but
I've got some over here too, though.
so yeah, well, it also helps with the way the lighting's sitting now in the camera. It looks like your windshield is tinted now.
It's not.
It's not. However, it did. Yeah, so with the way the sun's setting back behind there, it does look slightly tinted, darker now, especially on the camera. But it's not any darker. We have a couple of imperfections that happened because, well, we are outside and not in a controlled, hermetically sealed environment. We have trees right over us and all around us, and pollen and bugs. So all things considered, it doesn't look too horrible. And from the inside, looking out, it looks like a regular window. All right, now, Matt, grab a bucket of those bolts and start throwing it at the windshield and see how well it's protected. We need to put it through its paces, get a BB gun. But no, it's pretty straightforward. Obviously, the better your environment around you that you're going to be installing it in, the better. But all things considered, I think it came out pretty well. Some of these will clear up as it dries. Some of those will not. But better than chips. So it looks like if you pulled up, I would not know you had anything on there. So hopefully it holds up. You'll have to keep us updated. Let us know how it goes. We'll drive in front of you, throw rocks out, and see if anything happens. But yeah, thanks Jeremy for bringing this out and letting us play with it, and thanks for the assistance there, Matt. Jeremy, where can people find you if they want to see more of this beautiful Bronco?
So all of my socials are JeremyB_86.
And You see Matt at tattoo Matt71 or tat_squatch. And you can see me here on this channel. So if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.